Okay. This is going to be a journey through the car wash. Are we ready for this, Star?
What?
Are we ready for the car wash? Yeah? Yes?
Just want to let you know your back bumper is pretty loose.
That means it might come off?
It may. Because the wraps go around it and stuff, and it, it does apply a little bit of pressure.
Well, if it does, you're not liable.
Okay.
And because I want to go get a new bumper anyway.
Okay.
And so that gives my son the thing to say, okay, Mom, I'll drive you up to pull apart and we'll find another bumper.
There you go. I just wanted to let you know so you're aware of it.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you,
ma'am.
Where are we going to put the bumper if it does fall off?
In the back seat. I don't know. Maybe we should have just washed it ourselves.
No.
It'd be terrible if I lose my bumper.
This is cheaper.
I might not be able to drive my car without a bumper. Cops will give me a ticket.
And it's funner.
Huh? Well, you heard it, you guys. I got a loose bumper back there. Hopefully we don't lose it during the car wash. Oh, if we do, we'll let you know. Oh my gracious me!
Well, at least
I say, all my little guys ready. Do you want to watch the car wash too? There you go, boy. You could just sit here and watch the car wash too. All right.
scared.
You're scared. You've never been through a car wash before?
Have you?
Oh, a long time ago. I usually just wash my own car. All right. Ooh, hey, we're off. Something's like going for a ride at a carnival or something, maybe. Well, hey, if the car leaks, we're going to find out.
I know, that's what I meant. I know that's what I was waiting for.
Woo! Here they go. Take out. Here they come, guys. Whoa! Oh, beat them. Wow! Gee, wow. Oh. Oh, check all this out. Wow. I'm just going to turn off my bumper just to tell. All right. Whoa. Here we go. What's happening down there?
You're getting slumped, Houma.
What? Oh, what's this? Hey. Wow, look at big long tentacles, man. Maybe inside a big squid or something. Wow. Here we go. Oh, hey, yeah, here we go. Look at the water. Ha ha. Check this all out. Wow. They were being rinsed. Wow. Is it leaking yet? Do we leak? No water yet? Hey, check that out. Wow. Yeah, you guys. Wow. I wonder if we still have a bumper. Uh-oh, this is the part that take off the bumper right here. This guy's a bumper taker. Wow! That's the bumper taker.
That was really loud and scary.
That was loud and scary. Okay, final rinse. Oh, wow. Uh-oh, is that the bumper? Sounds like the bumper. Is that bumper still there?
I don't know, Houma.
Is my bumper still there?
I think that's it. Oh, then we got a blow dryer.
Keep my foot on the gas. Wow. Well, everybody, I think this is the end of our journey. When do I put it in gear? I wonder. Hey, oh, don't blow dry me. Oh, check us out, man. Wow. Oh, it's a big wind out there. Oh, look at these guys. Oh, they're pretty good. Check them out, man. Right. Hey, go.
Me when they're just adding more strings to the car.
All right. Boy, this guy's fast. Wow. Awesome. Oh, so this guy over here, boy, they just...
Stop recording.
Wow, man.
Stop
Check
recording.
them out, man. Wow, that was so cool. Where do I put it in gear? Oh, check them out. Boy, they're awesome. This is so awesome. Man, everybody, man. Boy. So, car wash out here in Houma, Louisiana. That was pretty neat. Well, everybody smiled, too. So pretty neat. All righty, big old thumbs up. Do I put it in gear? Wow.
I like how they wiped it down and made it streaky.
Hey, we made it. Let me just check my bumper and see what we got left here. Okay, let me hold on here a second. Let me just check my bumper. Oh, well, man, I still got a bumper. All right, didn't lose it.
It's still there.
All right. All right. Wow. It's all right. Hey, we're still hanging in there. Pretty cool.
She was like, it's loose.
Huh?
It's loose, but like not right here. It's
Well, I
only
know,
loose
but see,
right
you could
here.
have caught here and then it's gone beep. But we good. Thanks, guys. Hey, you too. Hey, what's the name of this place? Huh? It's what?
Auto spa.
Oh, it's, here, let me get this. Okay, everybody, this is the Auto Spa, man, in Houma, Louisiana, right on Martin Luther King Boulevard. Check it out. Just took you through a nice little trip to a car wash. All right. Cool. Bye. There are people so nice. All right.